Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's been making waves in the world of home decor and ambiance lighting. We're talking about the best white globe string lights available on the market right now. These aren't just any ordinary string lights. They're the Smart Globe String Lights RGB built-in chip from echosari. Packed with features that elevate your lighting game, these lights are perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're decorating for a party, adding ambiance to your bedroom, or setting the mood for a romantic evening. First off, these globe string lights aren't just about aesthetics, they're smart too. Controlled via a free app called ZENGGE, you have access to a myriad of lighting effects and modes. From dynamic color changes to preset scenes and even syncing with your favorite music, these lights transform any space into a mesmerizing spectacle. Imagine hosting a party where your lights dance to the beat of the music, or creating a serene atmosphere in your bedroom with just a tap on your smartphone. The possibilities are endless with the DIY customization options available through the app. Installation is a breeze with these lights. The 33 feet long string houses 66 LED acrylic globes, ensuring a durable and energy-efficient lighting solution. Plus, they're designed with IP65 waterproof rating, making them safe for outdoor use, rain or shine. Another standout feature is the group control capability. You can sync multiple sets of these lights using the app, up to 5 sets, allowing you to expand your lighting setup without any hassle. And let's not forget the convenience factor. Whether you prefer app control, using the included remote, or even adjusting settings directly on the USB controller, these lights cater to your every need. Concerned about energy consumption? These lights come with timer scheduling options, so you can set them to turn on or off automatically, helping you save energy and ensuring peace of mind. Overall, the Smart Globe String Lights RGB built-in chip from echosari combine functionality with style. They're versatile, durable, and perfect for anyone looking to elevate their space with vibrant, customizable lighting. That wraps up our review of the best white globe string lights available right now. If you're interested in creating stunning lighting effects effortlessly, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, stay illuminated.